My name is Cube Glitch and I am inviting my brother to open this GAN Cube, and this is my first GAN Cube. So let's open it. Yep. Open it. It is from QBLO and we're gonna open it now. It has a shiny box and some rainbow decal. We need a knife. Okay, let's try to open it by ourselves. It's not opening. Yeah, open it. Wow, nice box. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, okay, I should take this trash off here. Now let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Ooh, nice card. Look at this rainbow card. Okay, let's keep this safe here. And cube station. And let's open this first, not this. Okay. How should I do this? Like this. Ooh. Let's see what is in here. Ow. Oops. A nice GAN pouch. Wow, it's so soft. And the accessories. How should we open this? Yeah, look. Magnets, everything. Next we have instructions to how to solve a cube. Let's keep it here. And oh, the world's tiniest screwdriver. Now let's keep everything aside and open this beautiful box. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Wow, look. This is a UV coating. It's so shiny. Let's do some first turns. Oh, wow. I'll let my brother try. Right. Is it nice? Yeah. Let's see the corner cutting. And here we go. Ooh. It cuts so good. From 45 degrees. Yeah, it cuts. Let's see the colors. The colors are so vibrant. Okay, let's see in the accessory box. Here we go. Yeah. Here are the magnets to adjust from the corner. Let me open this corner. Oh, okay. This is for the center caps. Oh, okay. I need my brother's help. Open it. Yeah. Now. Okay, we'll try it later, but this is a good cube to buy. Okay, let's do some first solves and I'll let my brother scramble it. Scramble it. Scramble.